Hi, this is Johnny Young and the Young Talent Team, and we'd like to wish all our viewers and all our friends from Young Talent Time a very happy Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you. Hello, Australia, and welcome to your big night of the year. It's our Young Talent Time super special Christmas concert with lots of wonderful guests and stars, your very favourite Christmas songs, and of course the thing that we need more than any other thing, the true spirit of Christmas. And here are your kids, the Young Talent Team. Here they come.